Hi guys, my name is Goela and I'm an investor, trainer and mentor in stock markets. Right now it's about 1 a.m. in the morning and just a couple of hours back I've heard the news of Yes Bank. And to be honest, it's shocking and I feel I'm still absorbing it. The news is that RBI now supersedes the board of directors of Yes Bank. Yes Bank board of directors is the power. Now RBI has. Now RBI is going to make the decisions for this bank. And just to tell you the gravity of this situation is that the last time a situation like this happened where RBI superimposes itself on a bank was with Global Trust Bank, that too in early 2000s, and I think that got merged with Oriental Bank of Commerce ultimately. So this is not a normal occurrence that we are seeing today. It is truly shocking to say the least. Now, after this, RBI has come out with a statement that RBI has set a limit on withdrawal for every depositor in the next coming month of 50,000. RBI has set a withdrawal limit of 50,000 for the next coming month for each and every depositor of Yes Bank. If a depositor has 1 lakh, 5 lakhs, 20 crores, 30 crores, the withdrawal limit is only 50,000. Now let's analyze why did this situation happen, what will happen after this, and what can we learn from the entire thing. Now why did this situation happen? Now RBI was in close touch with Yes Bank. Now Yes Bank failed to improve its balance sheet. It was failing to meet its commitments, and some say that it was standing on the verge of bankruptcy. Further, that Yes Bank could not manage to raise new funds because the bank is already in such a liquidity crunch. It could not manage to raise new funds to ease things out. Now, what will happen in the future? This is a big blow for stock markets. Yes, I'm sure when you must be watching the video, markets would have already taken a hit. Right? Now let's understand the situation. बहुत simple शब्दों में. Yes Bank is a very well known bank of our economy, and you'll see Yes Bank has a deposits of around 3 lakh crores. 3 lakh crores के deposits हैं Yes Bank के पास. Right? Now just think about this. Yes Bank has taken the money from the depositors and then given it to other creditors. Now the Yes Bank is unable to get that money back from the creditors. Now what will it give to the depositors? In this entire situation, depositors will be the one who will be losing the most. Now just imagine, if you have an account in Yes Bank, you can't withdraw more than 50,000. If you're doing business with Yes Bank, if you have salary accounts, if you have this, if you're a business who's given a check of more than 50,000, and again, chalo ye to Yes Bank ho gaya. Now let's see the broader picture. This will have a snowballing effect on all of us. It will have a snowballing effect on the economy. How? First, you see that in any economy, bank is a very important part. And in an economy wherein people are scared of banks, wherein people don't have trust on banks, that is a very bad situation. Now just imagine if you are a depositor or someone else is a depositor, even they might be concerned what will happen with their deposits. Even they might be concerned of the well-being of their bank. Now even if 20% of us go to the banks for withdrawal of our deposits, do you think the banks can survive? No. There's going to be a massive credit crunch. There's going to be a massive liquidity crunch. And this has happened with Yes Bank, which is such a well-known bank in our economy. Recently it happened with PMC Bank, but still that was okay because it was a cooperative bank. So do you see the gravity of the situation? I was just thinking to myself and I had a very scary thought. This is my personal thought, is that I always believe that before investing in a share, you should fundamentally analyze it. Before investing in a share, you should fundamentally analyze it. Now we are standing in a situation wherein we have to fundamentally analyze the bank where we are going to put our deposits in. We have to fundamentally analyze our banks where we are putting our deposits in. It's a scary thought, right? And yes, markets are going to take a big hit, and the sentiments are definitely going to be very, very bad. Now, what is the positive thing? The positive things out of all this is that State Bank of India and LIC together have decided that they are going to buy over 49% of Yes Bank stake. So yes, that will definitely be a easing factor for stock markets, but in the shorter run, sentiment is definitely going to be bad. Longer run, it might change. We'll have to see. Now, this is what had happened, why did it happen, and what will happen. Now, what is a learning? It is very important, for us to take a learning from these situations. अब आप देखोगे, even if you scroll to my earlier videos, several comments were there. What about Yes Bank? Make a video on Yes Bank. Sir, I have traded in Yes Bank. Sir, should I buy Yes Bank at this price, at this price? And we were constantly getting mail on a free guidance mail also, wherein people contact us asking their concerns, and we told them, please sell Yes Bank, do not invest more in Yes Bank. Even if you have a loss, sell it and leave. Now again, मैं hindsight में बात नहीं करना चाहता, because hindsight में, if I want to talk about anything, it is very easy, right? I don't want to be the guy who said I told you so. This is just a learning for all of us. Now, this is an unfortunate incident that's happened, but you are very fortunate that you have witnessed this. This is a milestone in our economy, right? Situations like these happen. Now, you will see, hota kya hai, generally, whenever such stocks like Yes Banks, who have the reputation of Yes Bank, whenever such stocks start falling, people rush to buy them. They rush to buy them. Arey wow, this stock we are getting at such a cheap price, right? But that is always not the case. People think that now the stock has fallen to this much and the reputation is so good, so of course the stock will bounce back up. That is not the situation. This did not happen with R Power, this did not happen with Kingfisher Airlines, this did not happen with Jet Airways, this did not happen with Unitech. So we have to make sure, my friend, I repeat again, we have to make sure that you trade in good quality stocks. Listen to me again. You trade in good quality stocks. I'm not talking about investments, even trading I'm talking about. Hota kya, when these stocks fall, such stocks fall, we end up buying more. We end up averaging down our price. We average down our price so that it falls cheaper to us. I know so many people who kept on buying Yes Bank. As soon as it was hitting a new low, people bought more shares. As soon as it hit a new low, people bought more shares. So yes, this is the entire situation. It is scary, but at the same time, I think this is a massive learning opportunity for all of us, right? Why I stay away from these kind of shares or these kind of stocks? Because I have experienced this in the past. Now, this is your experience which is going to make you for the future. So, I'm very happy for the fact that all of you are witnessing this, right? So, write it down in the comment section below. I want to read your comments that what do you think the RBI should have done? Has RBI taken the right step or the wrong step? Should RBI have had preferred a merger, or they should have preferred something else? नीचे कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखो, मुझे बताओ, what are your thoughts on this? Do you think RBI did the right move or the wrong move? Even I want to read all your comments. Even I want to read all your thoughts. And the good part is you write it and you will read other people's comments also, right? So as a community, we will grow. And if you find this type of content helpful, and if you find these kind of updates helpful, be sure to subscribe to our value emails. Link आपको description में मिल जाएगा. So just go there, sign up. और sign up के बाद we will send you mails on this. We do not spam, so you don't need to worry about that. You can always unsubscribe. But the point is, for these kind of regular updates, sign up to our value mails. Comment down below. Video को subscribe ho. If you're a new person here who's not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. And that is it for today. Let's see what happens tomorrow. This is Goela School of Finance, financially empowering you.